Hi, my name is Mackenzie and this is the new Surface Go 2. The Surface Go 2 is a fantastic device for education. Microsoft has opted for the brown box packaging with this Surface Go 2. This is especially great because most of the components inside the box can be recycled, and really you've only got this leaflet to throw away, which is great. I've also got the power adapter here for the Surface Go 2. It is a little bit smaller than the Surface Pro 7, and the device itself comes inside this nice recycled bag which keeps it protected during transit. So here it is, the second generation Surface Go, which remains the smallest, most affordable 2-in-1 device in the Surface range. The Surface Go 2 improves immensely with updated hardware that provides more performance in battery life for when you're out and about. The Surface Go 2 uses the same chassis as the original Surface Go, which provides the laptop to tablet flexibility lots of us love. And because the chassis was left unchanged, I can actually pull the type cover off of my old Surface Go and pop it onto my new Surface Go 2. Just like that. Amazing. The thinner bezels give the Go 2 a much sleeker look with a larger, much brighter 10.5-inch PixelSense display. And with the Surface Pen, or the Classroom Pen, you get the same great inking experience, but now with more real estate to take notes, draw, annotate, and use pen and touch features you can find in various Office 365 applications. I can use the Classroom Pen just to write out a simple equation. Using the lasso tool, I can select the equation and click the Ink to Maths button. I can solve the equation, graph it in 2D, or I can even generate a practice quiz. How cool is that? The Surface Go 2 also provides a 5-megapixel 1080p front-facing camera that is quite sharp, so you can look your best for Teams calls wherever you are. The dual far-field microphones also improve clarity in video calls and also improve dictation experiences in Office 365 applications, such as a tool called Presenter Coach that's available on PowerPoint on the web. Presenter Coach evaluates your pacing, pitch, use of filler words, informal speech, and even euphemisms, and detects when you're being overly wordy or simply reading the text. After each rehearsal, you get a report that includes statistics and suggestions for improvements to your presentation. The specs of this device are just as impressive as well, with over 30% overall performance increase from the original Surface Go. The fanless design makes it great for high dust or sterile working environments, and the new Core M3 processors are 64% faster than the previous Pentium Gold 4415Y. Inside, there's also a larger 27-watt battery which introduces fast charging and increases the battery life to a respectable 10 hours. The Surface Go 2 offers performance in a versatile, compact form factor that makes it useful in a variety of industries. So that was a quick overview of the Surface Go 2. If you're interested in hearing more about the Surface Go 2 or wanted a demonstration, please reach out to your Data3 account manager or visit us at data3.com.au.